back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eva. If you're not new here, thank you so much for returning. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to personalize a budget binder that I get from Amazon. I have an order for this one, so I said, oh, let me just make a video and show you guys exactly how I do it. This is a great product to add to your store. These sell very well for me, and I just feel like they're super cute and they're very helpful since you can budget your money. You can put notepads to put friendly reminders for appointments, things like that. So let's just get right into the video. Please give this video a like if you learn anything, comment down below any questions, subscribe if you want to, and let's just get right into it. This was an order from my Etsy shop. She ordered a purple budget binder. On the front, she wants it to say the Thompson's budget book. For the 6 envelopes that come with it, she wants it in teal. It's gonna say vacation, bills, grandbabies, car payment, mortgage, and miscellaneous. So let's just go ahead and get this done. Then I'm going to go into Cricut Design Space. I am going to search a project since I do have a budget binder template saved to my computer. It's right here. So these are the dimensions that I use for my budget binder. I have 4.88 by 6.97, and then I just added a little slit here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add text to fit onto here. I'm gonna put exactly what my customer wanted her book to say, the Thompson's budget book. So I'm gonna go ahead and type that out. Then I'm going to size it to fit on my template here. So I was having trouble trying to find out exactly where I was going to put the words, but I think this looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and move my template out of the way. I'm going to highlight everything. I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to weld everything together. Now everything will get cut out at the same time. We're going to go ahead and do this part in black since she just specified that she wanted the teal for the envelopes. Now we're gonna get our budget binder and we're gonna go ahead and apply the vinyl. This is a transfer tape that I'm gonna be using. It is from Amazon. I highly recommend it. I will also link it down below. This is what I love about using my template, because I can just lay everything down in one piece instead of having to do word by word. Then we are slowly going to peel up the transfer tape. You want to do this super slow just in case it doesn't stick. You can scrape again. Look how pretty that looks. So my budget binders come with 6 of these envelopes. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure them so I know how big I can do the text on here. I'm gonna use this fabric ruler. Highly recommend one of these. They are very helpful. So it is about 7 inches across and about 3.5 inches in width. So you want to make sure that your text is not bigger than 7 by 3.5. So let's go ahead and put her text into the Cricut Design Space, then we can get them cut out. I'm going to type in everything that she wanted on each sleeve. First I'm going to type them out, and then I will resize them in a minute. So we are going to weld all of these together because you want the text to cut out all as one piece. There we go. So continue to weld everything. So they're all welded together. I'm gonna make them all the same size. So I'm gonna do 5.5 across and 2.5 for the height. Okay, so now that they're all the same size, we're gonna go ahead and get them cut out. Okay, now that we have our vinyl cut out, we're gonna go ahead and place it on our plastic envelopes here. These envelopes do come with these holes filled in. You just push them out like that. They come out super easy. Oh, and I do lay them all the same way. So they're gonna go in the book like this, with this either up or down, however you wanna do it. You can do it either way, but I just do it like this. Okay, now that we have our budget binder done and we have our envelopes done, I think everything came out so cute. I think these look better when you make the text all the same size so it doesn't look funny. I feel like that's super important, but that's my opinion. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up the budget binder. We're gonna take out this paper here that comes with it. They don't need that. Then we're gonna go ahead and place them in the budget binder. So for all of my budget binders, I do give a free pen. I just choose based off of what they put in the description. So she obviously likes teal, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her this teal pen here. Super cute. I'm gonna put it right here for her. I also got this colorful paper from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and give her a few sheets of these also, just to give it that little bit of touch. How cute that looks. So I gave her some colorful paper sheets, and then I also gave her a cute little pen just so she can have the first things to start using her budget binder. And how cute is that? Okay guys, then to package this, to ship it out, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in this clear poly bag here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the budget binder back in the package that it came in actually. Then I'm going to place it in this poly bag here. I'm going to put their invoice sheet in here. I'm also going to put a business card. I'm going to seal it up. Then I'm going to put a thank you sticker in the back along with their invoice. Then we will get this poly mailer here. And we're gonna go ahead and slip the book in there. Then we get their shipping label and put it on the package, and it is good to go. Okay guys, so that was my way of making a budget binder. I hope this video was super helpful for you guys. If you learned anything, please give this video a like, comment down below any questions that you might have. Subscribe if you want to, and thank you for watching. Again, these are great gifts. These are great to add to your shop. They're super cute. You can even put images on the top. You can put text. It really is up to you and your customer, but there are so many ideas. Definitely recommend these budget books. And again, everything that I use is going to be linked down below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.